Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
I want you, daddy. What if you phone and you're afraid the phone catch arthritis? You idiot if you're afraid of the phone like handicap. You never hear about farmer calling like teach about livestock and them local thing there. I want to hear daddy. I know about live on the rock and them thing like that. Stop like that. Me not say nothing about no live on the rock. I word of livestock. You understand? But hear me I say daddy. You see, farmer calling teach you how to grow your livestock animal. Your cow, your goat, your chicken, your livestock animal, your pigs. Listen, you can check him up on YouTube at Farmer Khalil. Khalil. And you know farmer spell. So hear me I say, you see man like you where brain really so indices, you can call him on WhatsApp 499 34 18. Tap on my 24 let me know handicap daddy.
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and welcome to another episode of our Inner City Farm Vlog. So on our search throughout the cities of Kingston, we were told to check for farmers that they always say, raising their animals or grazing their animals in what we call the National Heroes Circle. That's in downtown Kingston. So thanks to DJ Belly Movement, we actually met with a very famous farmer, Mr. Rowe. Mr. Rowe lives in downtown Kingston, and he has a viral video on social media where he was found saving a goat's life using CPR. And I know this was a very interesting topic, so we went to meet with Mr. Rowe to understand how that he manages his situation here in the inner city. Mr. Rowe was first a little bit difficult to find. His family sent us all over the place, but lo and behold, he came from a higher place to meet with us. So welcome Mr. Rowe, the farmer who, with the breath of life, saved a goat, saved his investment. Mr. Rowe has a lovely graded operation that has an infusion of all the genetics possible on the island. From the native to the boer to the newborn and even alpines, genetics can be found in this herd. So Mr. Rowe, everybody might know you from that famous video you have going around with you, saving the life of an animal.
Alright.
What happened that day?
What happened that day is that normally when I carry them out, new ones with like an old one or two old one with a new one. So I put three together in a row. One go between the three and stifle one. So that one now kind of lose breath for the moment. At that point when him go across the road, him drop so therefore him start to stutter and then breathless afterward. I had also remove the one that go between them that tangle him and pull the other two, leave him alone. Check him pulse, see that there was no breath. When I see that there was no breath now, I said, well, him just lost it, so I can regain it back by just
CPR.
And that's what I do. Start to pump the heart, to feel the heart go again, beat again, and to see him show some sign of life. And then now, when I did see that the first start, I give him a second one. When I give him the second one now, I feel the heart jump.
Yeah.
When I feel the heart, okay, that's fine enough. I give him another one now, okay, just force it. After I give him that, I start shaking up and say, yeah.
Alright. So how long you go training?
I go training from I know myself, but taking it up on my own is about, what now, 28 years.
28. How much animals you have, if you want to tell us?
At present, 50.
50. Oh, females?
Well, I don't separate right.
You don't separate. So how your market go? How you manage?
That is something why I can't say it's bad, and I will never say it is bad. It might be too good.
Might be too good. The demand is there for it.
Yeah, man.
And getting good price.
Yes.
And with December time coming,
Whoa.
we have to protect yourself now though. How where you rear them? Yeah, where you graze?
I graze within the Jew cemetery to race course.
Okay.
But now the juice cemetery kind of cut me off now.
Okay.
So I graze at the race course and I cut feed and give them.
Have you have problems on the road?
Like?
Just with cars, people?
Well, let me tell you to be honest with you. It's only a few indiscretionate drivers. Few, very few. But most of the others is so cooperative. Because they like how to go them listen and obey.
Alright.
And that make it easier for me.
Well, do you have a vet?
Rather help me a lot. And I do whatever decision that I see needed. Like for instance, a goat lost a cold. I know how to bring it back. A goat eat something which is giving them a stomach problem. I know how to work on that. So I try a lot of things for myself and it works. With the help of the Almighty Man, I've done a lot for them. And a lady passing on the road, not noticing me stepping up on the sidewalk. Apparently she went on her phone and hit me, break the right leg. So it kind of set me back a lot. So I have to put down on the road because at that time it was 92.
I see you have salt block in here. Where you get that salt block from?
I purchased it from Highco.
So far from my investigations, inner city farmers in the city have a very unique way of feeding their animals. Their concentrate supply is a little bit different and even their grass supply.
How often do you worm them?
Every 4 months.
Every 4 months. You do it like, say, quarterly. That's what you use.
And I use the Envet and the what's the other name again?
Levox.
Sure them.
You ever give them injectable Ivamec or Ivasip?
I give them Ivamec sometimes. But it's special when I give the Ivamec. Like those more on the hybrid side.
Okay, you give
like
them.
all these.
The Nubians.
Yes.
Nice. Okay.
I don't make them too fat because I want them as soon as possible have them win half kid take back ram. So when them too fat it take a longer time. You understand? So when them kind of nice shape, lean and more built, take ram quick. Then now I push feed and them that time for them produce good kid.
Yeah, good kid. So what was singles, triplets?
Twins and singles mostly. I have get triplet but a few times.
Okay. Alright,
let me show.
Unique to Mr. Rowe production, something I haven't seen in a very long time, is his value-added production of goat skin. That he says back in the days was a little bit more lucrative. He had a higher demand, but now he still has 1 or 2 persons who will come and use it to make slippers or to make belts. So value add, guys.